Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you about remove red and green underline in Word or PowerPoint or in any MS Office module. So once I tell you in this in Word, then you can able to remove in all other modules. Using Microsoft Word, you create a professional high quality report at work or a resume if you are looking for a job. It's ready to be published to the target reader. Only problem is isn't full of red potential spelling mistakes and green potential grammar mistakes, underlines. Adding all the words that are underlined in red to your dictionary will only affect your own computer. When the document is open on someone else's computer, those lines will be back and you won't even know it. आप अपनी तरफ अगर सेट करके भेजते हैं, लेकिन हो सकता है दूसरे की तरफ जा करके वो फिर से रेड और ग्रीन लाइन दिखाने लगे, क्योंकि लैंग्वेज हर कोई अपने हिसाब से सेट करता है। और जो अमेरिकन इंग्लिश है वो यूके इंग्लिश जो है वो यूएस इंग्लिश से फर्क होती है। तो जब आप अपने में जो कुछ सेट किए हैं अगर दूसरे में नहीं होगा तो वो रेड और ग्रीन लाइन फिर दिखने लगेगी। Is it possible to get rid of not only the red but also the green underline for good? Absolutely, just follow the simple instruction below. Maximize the quality of your writing by always turning spelling check and grammar checking button when you go to make changes to the document. Did you know Canadian English is not the same as US English and is different UK English? Always select the correct language to ensure word is using the correct spelling and grammar rules in your document. The first step should always be to spell check and grammar check your document. Make sure word isn't actually right. Poor spelling, red underline, and grammar mistake is green underline, can often remove all the credibility you built up in an otherwise very professional looking and surrounding documents. अब प्रोफेशनल लुक के लिए अगर ग्रीन और रेड लाइन आपके बायोडेटा में दिखता है तो वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, उसके लिए आपको उसको हटाना पड़ेगा। The next step to follow will depend on the version of Microsoft Word that you are using. Word 2010, Word 2007, Word 2003 or even Word 2013. In Word 2010, when you open your Word, you will get the review option where you will get a press review and you will get a set language. Here when you go there, then select the language. I have selected English United States and check, do not check spelling on grammar or grammar. Check this box and detect the language automatically. If you don't know which language you have set for your computer, then press here detect the language automatically and press default. Then it will make your selection permanent and press OK. Then this way you set the information according to your computer setting, and then the step is select Control A, select all the info document, click on Review tab at the top of window and then Language button. What I have shown you, click on Set Proofing Language or click on the name of the language in the status bar at the bottom of the screen or the pop-up of the window or the sub-menu of the window. Add a check mark and do not check spelling or grammar option and click OK. All the red and green squiggly underline should be gone. While you are there, to ensure that the recipient sees things exactly as you do, make sure that you set the document display to final. अब उसको जब हम चेक करके कर देंगे तो वो जैसा हमने उसको भेजा वैसे ही दिखेगा, अदरवाइज नहीं दिखेगा जैसा कि हमने भेजा, उसमें रेड और ग्रीन लाइन फिर से आ जाएगी। Start by pressing Ctrl A to select your whole knob. In a version 2007, almost same step. Ctrl A, review language, select language, set language or detect language, then do not check spelling or grammar. And then while you are there, to ensure that recipient sees things exactly as you do, make sure that you set the document display to final. अब उसको करके ओके कर देंगे तो फाइनल हो जाएगा और वो वैसे ही वहां पे दिखेगा जहां गया है। Now in window 2003 you have to press toolbar and their language option and then again detect the language and do not check the spelling grammar and press OK. So all three versions have almost same step, but the difference is the tool menu and review menu. And then a multilingual environment, this type of scenario typically happen for two reasons in Word. When you have a multiple keyboard language set up in Windows, Windows can't read the label or your keyboard, so it is up to you to tell it what layout you are using. On the top of that, you also need to tell it what language you are typing in. These settings can be found in your Windows keyboard setting or Windows regional setting. You may find any article on setting of your computer Canadian helpful, even if you are not Canadian. If you often type in more than one language such as English Canada and French Canada, set up two keyboard languages and use Alt Shift to toggle between two. अब दो लैंग्वेजेस, दो तरह की लैंग्वेज है, इंग्लिश के जो कनाडा की है और फ्रेंच जो कनाडा का। अब उसको जब हम टॉगल ऑल्टर शिफ्ट दबाएंगे तो जो जिस वाली लैंग्वेज में होगा उसको हम सेट कर लेंगे। द टिपिकल फ्रेंच कीबोर्ड लेआउट यूज्ड इन कनाडा is Canadian French. Word will also automatically try to identify the language in which you are typing. Unfortunately, once it has decided that you are typing in different language, it isn't always easy to change its mind. However, if you only type in one language, you can click on the language indicator in the status bar at the bottom of your Word window and select the actual language you use. Note that you must be specific. English Canada is not the same thing as English US or English UK. For example, while you are there, you can also uncheck the detect language automatically checkbox and then click the default. But to make this setting permanent. अब अगर आपको नहीं पता है कि आप कौन सी लैंग्वेज यूज कर रहे हैं तो बाय डिफॉल्ट पर क्लिक करके और उसको ओके कर दीजिए तो वो परमानेंट सेट हो जाएगा। अब सेम वे में हम लोग अगर पावर पॉइंट खोलते हैं तो वहाँ पर भी रिव्यू में यही ऑप्शन मिलता है। वहाँ पे लैंग्वेज कर दीजिए, लैंग्वेज प्रूफिंग कर दीजिए। अगर गड़बड़ है इसको सेलेक्ट करेंगे, हम लोग लैंग्वेज करेंगे, सेट प्रूफिंग लैंग्वेज कर देंगे। यहाँ डू नॉट चेक स्पेलिंग आ जाएगा, डिफॉल्ट करके यस करेंगे, ओके कर देंगे तो कोई भी एरर नहीं आएगी। तो इस तरह से हम पावर पॉइंट या एमएस ऑफिस के कोई भी मॉड्यूल में सेटिंग कर सकते हैं। तो इस तरह से हम कोई भी रेड और ग्रीन लाइन जो हम टाइप कर रहे हैं उसको हटाने के लिए इन चार स्टेप्स को यूज करेंगे। पहला है कंट्रोल ए to select all document, then review tab, then select language, then set proofing language, and then do not check spelling or grammar check this option and then set the default language or press default and do OK. Then it will remove your red or green line in Word or PowerPoint or any MS Office module. Today it is all, viewers. Thank you. If you like, then please share and subscribe. Thank you.